G'day folks, Mike here. Today I'm at the EC Off-Road Workshop. We've got a Hilux here. It's getting a whole bunch of electrical work. It's starting to sag a bit in the back. You can see it's got the rack and the rooftop tent and a whole bunch of stuff in the back here. We're going to throw some SumoSprings into the rear. Let's jack it up a little bit, make it ride nice and neat. Come check out the difference this thing makes. So there you have it folks, this Hilux is sitting nice and level, so make sure that you use the right spacer combination to suit your vehicle and your application. Jump on our website, outbackkitters.com, where you have a whole heap of SumoSprings to suit your vehicle. Look forward to seeing you on and off the road.